Hello, my friend. Welcome to Talk Tia. Take a deep breath with me. If you are here, listening right now, and you understand English, but you cannot speak it easily, this podcast is made for you.
Yes, you. The person who understands everything but says almost nothing.
And listen carefully. This is important. Nothing is wrong with you. You are not bad at English. You are not weak. You are not slow. You just learned English in a way that does not help speaking.
Wow, that already feels like someone understands me.
Because we do. If you stay till the end, you will not suddenly become perfect, but you will feel ready. Ready to open your mouth. Ready to try. Ready to speak without fear. So, if this feels personal, please subscribe to Talk Tia. Not for us, for you. Now, listen carefully. Don't skip this part. Let me ask you something. When people speak English to you, do you understand them?
Yes, most of the time.
But when it is your turn to speak, your mind goes blank, your heart beats fast, and your mouth freezes.
Yes, suddenly my English runs away.
That feeling has a reason. Understanding English and speaking English are two different skills.
Wait, really?
Yes. Think about this. You understand movies, but can you act like the actors?
No chance.
You understand songs, but can you sing like them?
My neighbors will complain.
Exactly. English is not knowledge. English is a muscle. And muscles need training, not grammar books.
So my brain is not broken.
Not at all. Your practice method is the problem. Now, something very important. What is your biggest fear when you speak English?
Making mistakes, people laughing, my accent.
Listener, if you feel this too, you are normal. Now listen carefully. Most people miss this. Mistakes are not the enemy. Silence is.
That hurts, but it's true.
When you stay silent, your brain learns fear. When you speak, even wrong, your brain learns courage. Confidence comes from survival, not perfection.
So wrong English is okay.
Wrong English is progress. Now, let's do something small. Say this with me. I can speak English. Again. Good. Your brain is not used to hearing your voice in English. We are changing that today. Let me tell you a true story. A learn once told me, I understand everything, but I translate before speaking.
That's me.
That is the problem. You cannot translate and speak at the same time. Speaking is fast. Translation is slow. That delay creates fear.
So what should we do?
We stop translating. We start using ready sentences.
Like instant English?
Yes. For example, how was your day? Fluent speakers don't build sentences. They use chunks. It was good. It was busy. It was tiring. No thinking, only feeling. Now you try. How was your day? Perfect. Simple English is strong English. In the next part, we will fix the starting problem, the first sentence fear. Stay with us. This is just the beginning. Now listen carefully. This part is very important. Most learners don't fail in English. They fail in the first sentence.
Yes, starting is the hardest part.
Exactly. Once you start, the rest becomes easier. But your brain creates drama before the first word.
My brain writes a horror movie.
So today, we remove pressure. No big sentences, no perfect grammar. Only safe starters. Repeat with me. I think. Again. Good. I feel. Nice. These small starters are powerful.
They feel safe.
Yes, because they give your brain time. Now try this. I think English is anything. Perfect. No correction, only courage. Now something funny. Many learners wait to sound smart, but fluent speakers sound clear, not smart.
That's a relief.
Let's practice real life. Imagine someone asks you, "Where are you from?" Don't translate, use a chunk. Say it with me. I am from. Good. Now add feeling. I am from, and I like it. Perfect. See? No grammar thinking. Now, listen carefully. Your accent is not a problem.
Really?
Your accent means you know more than one language. That is power. Now repeat. My accent is okay. Good. Now something very important. Fluency is not speed. Fluency is flow.
Slow English is okay?
Slow English is beautiful. Let's slow down. Say this slowly. I am learning English, step by step. Perfect. In the next part, we will remove fear completely. We will help you speak without panic. Stay with us. If you are still here, I am proud of you. That means you didn't run from fear.
That itself is progress.
Yes. Now, let me say something gently. You don't need confidence to speak. You get confidence by speaking.
That changes everything.
Let's practice one last time. Introduce yourself. Very simple. Perfect. No correction. Only pride. You stayed till the end. That means you care about yourself. Remember this. You don't need perfect English to live a bigger life. You need brave English.
I like that.
If this podcast helped you even a little, subscribe to Talk Tia and write one simple comment. I will speak English. We are with you, always.